Candle range theory trader back with you, explaining the top 5 reasons why CRT or the candle range theory is the best method for new traders. So, for anyone who's frustrated or has been going through it for this new year, we want to be sure to help you with these tips. Top 5 reasons why this method will take your trading to the next level. So, let's get straight into it. What this video is going to cover is what markets to trade. Okay, keeping it simple, the odds of being in favor, your favor for once. The system that I'm going to show you has built-in risk management, and it has something for everyone. And we also have a secret bonus reason that no one talks about. So be sure to stay to the end of this video so you can definitely check that out. So the first reason why the candle range theory is the best method for any trader is it works in any market. Okay. So if one market is dead or just chopping around, not really doing anything, or just there's a trend there that's not giving you any real clear entries, imagine being able to jump to any market, any pair, crypto, futures, forex, gold, indices, US 30, doesn't matter, NAS 100. The pattern plays out the exact same. All you have to do as a trader is understand margin, position sizing, spreads. Different markets have different rules, but if you master the candle range theory, any market can become unlocked to you, any of them. Reason number 2, children could trade the CRT or candle range theory because it's so simple. You see, what a lot of people fail to understand is that the more steps your trading plan has, the worse it is. And I know people want to think algorithmically and okay, if this happens, I do this, but first I got to check this indicator and do all that. Folks, can that work? Yes, but ideally, simple plans are the most effective, especially in trading where your odds are already close to zero. So it can be mentally taxing for a person to go through 18 steps trying to find a good setup and still losing. Imagine having a simple checklist of like 2 to 3 things, take the trade, and come with May, you're just good with it because you're not wearing yourself out trying to see, okay, should I get in long? Should I get in short? Okay, this step 3 worked, but step 7 doesn't, and step 8 kind of maybe, and this indicator says that. No, we're not dealing with any of that. Okay, you need an edge, and the candle range theory can give it. Now, if you're unclear though on what the candle range theory is, what you're going to want to do is watch to the end of this video, and then I'm going to put a link in the description as well as the end of this video to show you exactly what the candle range theory is, and you'll see these reasons really come to life. But reason number 4 is that you're going to be the captain now. You're going to be in charge of your trading destiny because this setup is so high probability, you are going to be more likely to win than you are to lose. Now, no trading method is 100%. And I don't really trust any trader that says they take no losses or they never lose. I don't buy that personally, okay? But just here are a couple numbers from a couple of accounts that I have, 2 instant funding accounts that I just happen to have right now. Screenshots right here. This is a newer account. 6 trades, 4 wins, 2 losses. Obviously, that's a 50% win rate. Just got this account a few days ago, but you can see the equity curve, the purple line trending up, and of course the drawdown being that red line. But look at all that margin that the account has as a result of strictly using the candle range theory. This is a little bit of an older account here, but as you'll see, the account started with $1,250 and then went up to $2,500 because with instant funding, the prop firm that this account is with, they do allow you to double your account every time you reach a 10% profit target, which I did here in just a few days. Because over the life of this account, I took 9 trades, 7 wins, 2 losses. Okay, amazing, amazing. All right, so all candle range theory, period, point blank. Reason number 4 that this system is the best for beginning and newer traders is that your risk management takes care of itself. Okay, you're automatically going to know where to put your stop losses and your take profits. You see, when you trade the candle range theory, your stop loss is just going to be just above or below the range. And your take profit can go one of 2 places. It can go in the middle of the range, as the picture shows, or it can go to the bottom or top of the range, depending on if you're long or short. So I just included a brief example here showing the yellow ATR candle. And if you don't know what the ATR candle is, I'll put a link in the description because that's our first step to take a look to see what ranges we're trading. Okay, so the yellow candle gives us a signal to go short. Price pokes above it, closes underneath it. Now we're clear to go short. And that blue candle had a large drop. So either one of those take profits would have been hit either in the middle of the range or at the bottom of the range low. Done. I don't have to overthink about where to put my stop loss because I know I'm trading in a range. All right. And as long as price stays inside that range, I'm good. So risk management is a complete afterthought. Reason number 5, no matter your style, because we all trade differently, the candle range theory is for you. If you're a scalper and you like to be in and out of a trade, there's nothing that will be stopping you from taking a trade here, going short, and maybe you just want 20 pips, and maybe you throw 10 standards on there. I don't know your style, but if you like that, that's fine. The entry model is still going to be the same, but maybe you want to get out just above the range and just scalp the market. More than fine. Maybe you're a day trader, and once again, you want to just trade an entry down to the middle of the range, and that's fine. You don't want to hold anything overnight. You like to be flat. That's more my style, and I like that. So that's what I do. That's what you can do as a result of using the candle range theory. And maybe you're a swing trader. So you like to use a method that can allow you to hold a trade for a few days, or maybe over a week, even a few months. The candle range theory can allow you to do that. And if you like that, there's another video on my channel called the baseline method. And I will put a link into the description of that video as well if you're a swing trader and like to chase those big profits and not take as many trades. Now, the secret bonus reason for anyone who's frustrated with trading to switch over to the candle range theory is no more indicator heavy charts. And I just included a little fake example here. But you see here, a lot of people, they think the more indicators I have, then the more I can put my odds in my favor if all the indicators line up and give me all these green lights. Folks, I'm here to tell you, if you make money using all that stuff, more power to you. I'm not here to convert anyone who has a working system. If stuff like that works for you, more power to you. You go do it. It's just that for the average trader, throwing 18 indicators on your chart is not going to give you a leg up. It's just not. It really isn't. So just really ask yourself, which is more preferable? Looking at this every day, okay, and trying to figure out, okay, is everything lining up? Does this appeal to you? Or how about something like this? If you had to teach someone how to trade, would you rather teach them how to read this? Or would you rather teach them how to read this? Where you're just taking an ATR high, ATR candle high, waiting for price to close below it, and then riding it all the way back down. Or let's wait till the cloud lines up with the volume and we got to check the RSI, we make sure the TDI and the fib level, hey, again, I'm not trying to, I say that in jest. And if that's your system and you're making money, more power to you. But I know that 90% of traders don't make money, but they think that if they throw up more stuff like this on their chart, it's helping them, and it's not. Okay, it's really not. So in conclusion, imagine the confidence that you could have by trading any market. But I will say this, it does help to be a specialist. So it does help to specialize in just Forex or just futures or just US 30, whatever you do. I wouldn't necessarily recommend hopping from market to market, but once you have a good understanding of candle range theory, you really could. You can take peace in knowing you have a simple plan to follow, okay? You don't have to, there's no guesswork involved. You're just waiting for price to take a certain action and trading the range in the opposite direction. That's it. Losses won't bother you because you know this works long term. And once again, just to reiterate this, okay? 2 little losses, 7 wins. The odds are in your favor. And I know this account is fairly new, but at the same time, as the losses increase, guess what? The wins are always going to outpace them because I'm just doing the same thing over and over. All right. So the losses won't bother you because this works long term, and small losses won't take away from big wins. We're talking about an ATR candle. Big wins are built into the system. All right. So lastly, you can tailor this method to your style. Be you a scalper, a swing trader, or a day trader, and it helps you get away from most, if not all, indicators. If you want to call the ATR an indicator, that's fine. You really don't even need that, though, honestly. There's a way to just trade straight price action with the CRT, but we use the ATR, and again, if you don't know what that is, the link will be in the description. That helps put the odds in our favor even more, but you really don't even need that. So these are the 5 reasons that a beginning frustrated trader, by using the candle range theory, can use this method to help increase their profits in 2025. So we definitely appreciate you for watching. Again, if you don't know what the candle range theory is, click the link in the description, find that, or look at the ATR indicator in the link in the description, or I'll put a link to the video as well on top of this screen that you're looking at here, so you can find out more about the candle range theory if you don't already know about it. I appreciate your time and attention. I hope you have a great rest of your day.